If you're new to woodworking, you might wonder, do I really need a router table? In this video, we'll explore whether it's essential for beginners and how it affects precision, safety, and efficiency. What is a router table? A router table is a stationary setup where a router is mounted upside down, offering more control and stability than using it handheld. This allows for precise cuts, shaping, and edging. It's especially useful for tasks like edge profiling or joinery, where accuracy is key. The router stays fixed, ensuring clean, repeatable cuts, making it invaluable for detailed work. Advantages of using a router table. Router tables offer superior precision, especially for complex tasks like dovetail joints, dados, and grooves. With the router fixed in place, you get smoother, more stable cuts compared to handheld routing. Router tables also support smaller pieces, improving safety and quality. For repetitive tasks like molding or trimming multiple pieces, the router table saves time by eliminating the need to reset for each cut. It's easier to achieve consistent, high-quality results, making it ideal for advanced tasks. If you're moving into detailed woodworking, a router table will become essential. It improves both the quality and efficiency of your work, helping you tackle more intricate projects with confidence. When you might not need a router table. If you're working on basic projects like edge rounding or small cuts, a handheld router will likely suffice. A router table can feel unnecessary for simple tasks, and it's a bigger investment, both financially and in terms of learning curve. If you're on a tight budget or have limited workspace, you may find a handheld router more practical. For beginner projects that don't require extreme precision, a handheld router offers plenty of flexibility without the extra setup of a router table. The cost versus benefits. Router tables come with a higher price tag, but they pay off as your skills grow. They provide better precision for detailed tasks like edge profiling or custom joints. If you're planning to advance your woodworking, a router table is worth the investment. However, for beginners focused on basic projects, the cost might not be justified just yet. Consider how often you'll use it. If you're mostly doing simple tasks, you may want to hold off until your projects become more complex. How to decide if you need one. Decide based on the types of projects you're working on. If you're doing basic trimming or rough cuts, a handheld router will do. But if you're moving into more detailed work, like joinery, molding, or trimming, then a router table can provide the precision and stability you need. If you're tight on space or budget, consider a compact or benchtop model. Ultimately, the decision depends on your woodworking goals now and in the future, and how much precision you need for your tasks. In short, if you're sticking to simple tasks, a handheld router is enough. But for more complex projects, a router table offers the precision and efficiency you'll need.